Hi, I'm Claudia Brown Coulter with Pivotal Peace. I'm your go-to mediator for navigating divorce while parenting children with special needs. I'm also a registered legal document assistant, LDA, based in the greater Los Angeles area. Let's talk about 5 divorce paperwork myths and debunk these common misconceptions. Everybody thinks they know how divorce operates, how it works, what happens until they go through it. And even if they've been through a divorce once before, it probably wasn't 2 days ago, so, things have changed or they've forgotten. Myth number 1, you only need to fill out a couple of forms. It takes about 1 page to get married, maybe it's more now, and 20 to 30 to get a divorce. Even if it's a simple divorce with no assets or debts, nothing to divide. It takes a lot of papers. A lot. You got step 1, the 100, the 110, the 105, any local forms. Then you have step 2, the 140, the 141, the 142, the 150. If you're doing a true default, you're going to need the 160s instead of the 142. And step 3, that's a whole other host of documents. It takes a lot of forms. You can't just file a petition and be like, I'm done. I'm sorry, I wish it were that simple. But we've agreed on everything. That leads me into myth 2, because we've agreed on everything, so we need to write these things down. No. Myth 2, you don't have to disclose everything if you agree. Said who? Not the state of California. Oh, I know they didn't say that. No, they did not. They require a full financial disclosure, even if both spouses agree, even if you know what each spouse has or doesn't have. And if you are arguing about when these things should be valued, it's not necessarily the date of separation. If you have to go to court, it's the date of trial. You have to disclose everything. Do it. But it's separate property. Is it yours? Disclose it. Is it your mama's? No. Is it yours? Disclose it. Myth number 3, you can finish your divorce in a few weeks. Oh God, I wish. It takes a minimum. That means it could take longer. A minimum of 6 months to get divorced in the state of California. However, if you are savvy with how you're doing your paperwork, you and your spouse are on the same page, you're working to get your paperwork done relatively quickly, you answer, either you're doing it yourself or I'm helping you, and you're answering emails quickly, you're responding to things, you and your spouse, you are signing your forms, you're getting them filed, yeah, you can get your paperwork done in just a few weeks. You can. 100%. You should aim for that. You won't be divorced, but it'll just be a date on the calendar at that point. Them's is goals. Myth number 4, you need a lawyer to file for divorce. This is one of the biggest myths. People think I need a lawyer or I have to do it all myself. There are time and place for both of those things. There is a time and place for both of those things. Sometimes you will need a lawyer to represent you. I'm not just talking about legal advice, to represent you. Other times it could be such a simple divorce, you could just do it yourself. But there is a middle in between. It's people like me, mediators, legal document assistants, who can help you with coming up with an agreement, who can transcribe things for you and fill out the court forms at your direction. There is a middle ground. You do not have to go to an attorney. And myth number 5, the court will catch any mistake. They'll catch mistakes, technical mistakes. This box wasn't checked, this date's in the wrong place. But they're not going to check that you have a detailed parenting agreement. Most of the courts, sometimes they do. They might say this is an unfair agreement, this is an unfair division of assets. Most of the times they don't. So you need to check. I don't know what to check for. Then you need to go pay some money to meet with a consulting attorney and have them review these agreements before you file them with the court. They'll tell you if something's missing. You have to take responsibility for your post-divorce life, and that is being educated and knowing what's happening. Do not allow these myths to derail your divorce and cause it to take longer than it should be. Go either get some professional help down at the courthouse from the clerks there, or schedule a free consultation with me. We can talk about your needs and how I can support you. There is a link below, and I am looking forward to that conversation.